What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while. Today we're going to give the O-Girls some much needed TLC. And the main thing is the CCV filter. I believe it's about 67,000 miles. You're supposed to switch this out, and we're about 20,000 over. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and let's get to it. And one of the next things is that we have to do third brake light. It is bugging out. So I'll just pop it out. I think it's a relay. These are LEDs in here, just bought them off Amazon. So take it apart and we'll look at the relay. Oh, shit. That one is melted in there. That's not good. That might be the one. Shoot. Huh. Shit. Well, if you look right here, my relay got so hot, it's really hot now, burned into the plastic, not good. So before I try and cut all this out and get the bulb out, I'm going to test the relay. I just buy these on Amazon. I'll put a link below for these. You need these when you're running these LEDs in your OEM. Well, it doesn't look like it's the relay. So also got these off the Amazon. They are red LED lights for back here. I don't know if I'd get these exact ones again. This is my third one going in back here. There we go. Alright, so it's just a bulb. We got the Amazon special, so let's hope they work. next thing, the main thing you saw in the intro for the service light was for the CCV filter. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. We'll start by removing these bolts, and then there's more bolts on top, and we'll show you that process. Here we go. Alright, like that. We get our new filter in. Let's take this off. Put our bolts back in. Oh. And just like that, that's how you do the CCV filter. These 4 bolts, then you got 8 more underneath for this cover, and then this all comes out. Take it out, replace it, boom, it's done. Alright, so the last part of the CCV filter replacement is inside the cab here. So apparently you just stepped on the brake, we'll turn the key to on, power, don't turn the engine over, push the brake twice, do the gas twice, turn the key off, and it's supposed to reset. So let's try it out. Perform service. Yeah, apparently you're supposed to take care of this about 67,000 miles. Oops. But let's try. Oh, I think it worked. Oh, my. What? Not quite sure what I'm doing wrong, but that it? Maybe we got it. It's not showing up. I don't know why it's not focusing here. Don't have it in here. We'll turn the engine over. Make sure it's gone. Alright, I think we're good. All these lights are just because I have LEDs in there. So sweet. Alright, it looks like we got it, and only took a couple tries, but brake, gas. Alright, only a few tries to get the CCV filter code off, but we got it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too exciting, but hopefully in the next video we can get back to the build. And until next time, enjoy the ride.